All right, guys. What is going on? What is up? What is up? We are back for what technically day 2 of this freaking SP Concepts exhaust install. Yeah, ran into a few problems yesterday. Just could not get it done yesterday. I really wanted to, but things were not working out. So we're back. I guess technically day 2. We need to get it done today. I only have, I think, like maybe 3-ish, 2-3 hours to get this like fully on. So yeah, we ran into some issues just trying to get this guy to dangle down more, just so we can get the stock exhaust off. Yeah, did not work at all. It was very much a pain. Pretty much the little bolts, the 2 bolts that go into here, I swear, bro, whoever torqued that thing, bro, they didn't use a torque wrench. I'm telling you, they did not use a torque wrench. They like manhandle that thing, bro, because it was on there. Managed to get one of them off, but this guy, no, this guy right here, that guy said nah. So yeah, pretty much we tried to drill into it and use a few different techniques to get it off, but no. But yeah, this is what she's looking like right now. Unfortunately I had to leave her overnight and then I had to go to work, so she's been kind of sitting here for a minute. Don't come after me for the bike sitting here. And those bolts, bro, did insane. Eventually we just ended up drilling the pupper. Hi. We eventually just drilled it off. You just yeah. Oh, you know what, I am so sorry if you guys see like a little, maybe like it looks like it's cracked, the lens is cracked. Basically yesterday when we were drilling this piece off, this is the I guess the top part of the stock exhaust. When we were drilling it off, the saw kind of exploded. And shrapnel hit the camera lens, so not great.
Don't hit the other thing because you're really close to it. What was that?
But yeah, got the stock exhaust off. We're gonna be working on getting this bad boy in right here. Ooh. the SP Concepts exhaust, big bore. So yeah, pretty much all we have to do now. I got the little flange on and whatever this is called. Is that on backwards? Nope, we're good, thank God. This one's not on backwards either. Yeah, perfect. So next we're going to be installing the O2 sensors for both these pipes, and then we'll move on to actually installing them. Oh, why the bolt? Oh, that's right, I totally forgot I had to leave those in there. Yeah, so we're gonna get these guys out, those 2 little freaking, I don't even what they're called, man, the gauze or something, the gauze. Let's get those off real quick. I did already install this little metal bracket. This is where pretty much the muffler will be sitting, or technically resting on. So yeah, let's get to work. Gotta get those guys off and these little freaking nuts out. Yeah, let's get it. Mess this thing up, yo. Again, make sure you guys have the correct tools. Oh, actually I probably shouldn't be doing that, but that's fine. It'll be fine. It'll be blowing out anyways. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna work on getting the O2 sensors in, which I did luckily leave them with the corresponding header or pipe. To make sure when installing the O2 sensors, you guys make sure like the back one stays with the back one and the front one stays with the front one. I don't really know how else to say that. Make sure it stays with it. You will have a bad day if they're swapped or, you know, interchanged and whatnot. So for me, I picked this little trick up from Motoblond. I just put a little zip tie. So I just know that, you know, this is the rear O2 sensor. And by rear, I just mean it's going to be the one that connects right into there. So that will eventually connect into there. And then the front one, the one that comes from the front header, will connect all the way down into there, which that one's a bit tricky. Actually, it's not that terrible. But yeah. So let's get these O2 sensors on. So we're going to be installing the little adapters that come with the exhaust, or it comes in the kit. So this is some of the hardware. I already put, I believe, 2 of the bolts already on the bike. So these 2 bolts will be going onto, I guess, these little, I don't even know, like brackets, I guess. And then of course we got the little springs here, which, guess what? Funny enough, I don't have a tool for this. It's gonna be a little pain. But yeah, for now we're gonna be installing these little guys. If I can open it. Gloves, man. Let me wear gloves. So these little guys, these are just the adapters. They'll kind of sit right in there. Pretty much, if you had, I believe if you have wideband O2 sensors, they'll just go directly into the pipe. So this nice looking little hole right there. So I believe if you have wideband O2 sensors, you just stick them directly in there. I don't. I'm just gonna be using the old ones or the original ones, and yeah, hopefully it works. It will work. I don't know what I'm saying. It will work. I believe it goes in just like this. Yeah. Also, I will be placing anti-seize on right here. I don't know. I'd probably recommend to put some anti-seize on there. I haven't seen anyone else not put it. I've seen people put it, other people not put it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it just because I bought it, and why not? Okay. Alrighty guys, and of course just make sure you guys are putting back on your new bushings. I believe if you have like a new bike and you're, you know, with like the first couple months, if you just, you know, if you just got the bike, you probably don't have to replace them. I guess rule of thumb is just always replace them. I know, yeah, pretty much every video I've seen is people replace them, and they're honestly not that expensive. So yeah, it's up to you though. Yeah, they just slide right back in there. You might have to give it just a nice little tug or a little push. All right. So we are here now. Getting these freaking guys in is an absolute pain. There's like no good way to actually access that little nut in the back. So yeah, right now it's just tightened loosely. We're gonna be doing little back header pipes next. And then yeah, dogs. But yeah, let's get to it. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 .
。 .
。 Alrighty guys, it is finally freaking on. Jesus, man. Oh my god, look how beautiful it is though. Look how freaking beautiful. I honestly forgot where I left off. I'm pretty sure I was with the O2 sensors, and I'm not gonna lie, I totally forgot to put on the copper washers. So I had to take off the freaking, like I was like already on here, and I was like freaking, it was putting that on, getting the freaking bolts in the back on, and I looked to my left, and then I was like, bruh, the freaking copper washers. But it is on. Yeah, it's on. I forget, honestly, I do forget where. Yeah, so pretty much after the getting the O2 sensors and the copper washers on, and you know, you just want to loosely tighten these bolts up here. Pretty much the ones that connect, you know, the headers to the actual block. And then, oh my guys, I freaking suck at this, bro. I suck at this. And then you're gonna put these little metal brackets that it comes in the kits. These are little metal brackets that you can put like nails or like bolts in and whatnot. So you put that into the actual like exhaust here, and then you'll take the actual muffler, slide it into these two guys right there, line it up on with this hole right here, and then put the bolts on in the back. Those little guys, I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, and then once you do that, you kind of make sure it's not hitting anything, you know, check all like this, you know, probably like right here, this little space right here, make sure it's not hitting that, make sure it's not hitting the actual little freaking hard case there and whatnot, and check that little right behind there. And yeah, you just want to make sure that nothing is hitting or nothing tapping, and then from there just reattach your O2 sensors if you haven't already, and then tighten the bolts. If you have a lowrider S, good freaking luck getting that bad boy back there. Can you guys see that? Freaking good luck. Can you guys see that glare? I'm telling you, I am so sorry. But good luck getting that bad boy in, because oh my god, I don't know, you guys could probably do it better than me. I have the correct tools, okay? Have the correct tools and it'll be so much better. Yeah, it was a whole thing. It was crazy. But it's on. We'll do a sound test right now. Let me freaking ship this bad boy out. Fuck this, guys. Bro, I'm not. Can you go in your house, man? I'm not comfortable doing this. Alrighty, guys, we finally freaking got it on, bro. This looks freaking good. God damn, look at the freaking, oh, that looks so good. It looks so freaking good right now. It's been a rough 2 days, I'm not gonna lie. It has been kind of rough, but we finally got it. Yeah, I probably should not have, you know, hey, listen, you gotta learn somehow, right? But this bike is now, it's looking freaking good, man. I'm telling you, over a year, almost a year and a half riding with stock pipes. I don't know, don't even talk to me about it. But damn, this looks freaking good. Yes. You know, we're actually gonna freaking set this up because totally forgot. We have to do the side-by-side comparison. This is, hope it's not in the sun or anything. Okay, that's it. Let's hear what she sounds like. Yes. Got a check engine light on. It's all good. Holy crap. Oh shit. Fuck. not gonna do revs here because this is a nice neighborhood. But let's go, let's go. Also, I totally dropped my helmet. Like today. Dude, this day keeps getting freaking worse and worse. I totally just freaking dropped my helmet. And oh shit, you be smoking. Should you be smoking? Yeah, but I totally just dropped my freaking helmet, and yeah, it broke. The freaking visor broke. So there's gonna be probably some crazy wind in here. I'm so sorry. She do be smoking. But let's go ride, shall we? Let's go. Get some music. Oh, my battery. Oh, the freaking check engine light turned off. Ah! Let's go. Okay. Not smoking as much. Let's get it though. I'm gonna try and close my visor right now. Actually, yeah, let's close it before I put on my freaking gloves. I don't want the pin to fall out. Should be fine. Battery is 3/4. I didn't even check to see if I was recording. Yeah, we are. She's not smoking anymore. We're good. Alright, I will be right back. Oh my god, dude, it's insane. It is insane, bro. Oh, it's insane. Oh shit. Oh shit. It just sounds so good, baby! Oh shit! Oh. Yo! Yo! Yo, 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 yo. Probably shouldn't be doing that, but oh, it sounds so good! Holy shit, bro! Dude! Oh my god! Oh, she sounds good, baby! Oh, oh crap! I'm gonna get right behind this boy. Oh, she sounds real good. Oh man, hope she's not hitting him. We're gonna have to check that in a second. But yeah, that sounds too good, too good. Listen, bro, my check engine light turned off. She's good, right? We don't need a tune. We don't need it. We're getting one though. Yo, this sounds, I'm in love, bro. SP concepts, man. This is insane. This is insane, man. Holy shit. Oh, that sounds too good. It sounds so good. It's not smoking. Thank God it's not smoking. Thankfully it's not smoking. Yeah. Look at my dogs. What are these dogs doing? Come here. Come here. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, huh? You're cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey. Oh. Oh. Hi. Hello. Hello.